Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. You have to pardon my voice today. I've been battling with a cold for the past 2 days, so most of my videos are going to sound really dull, but yeah, let's just get right into this video. So today I'm going to be using the Make Me White Fade Milk as my base cream for this Luminous Lightening Lotion. This cream is a Thailand-based product and is an excellent skin lightening cream. It can also be used alone and you still get amazing results. It's also made by the brand, the Amos brand, the brand that makes the tubes and the face creams. So definitely it's a very good cream. These are the Make Me White tubes. You guys know I'm not really a fan of tubes, but for this recipe we're going to be using two of these tubes. It contains clobetasol, so definitely it's going to whiten the skin. Okay, it is 50 grams and it says it's fast action and it's also anti-spot. This product is made in Italy, so it's not from a local your Cotonou or Cameroon product. The next ingredient is the X White 7 Days Serum. It also has the half cast type, which I just put on the screen. So but I'm using this particular one. You can choose to use the half cast one. This one I have here is 1,000 naira and the half cast one is 2,500 naira. This serum says to fight wrinkles, dark spots, pigmentations, and all those things you usually see in serums, but it's actually okay for skin brightening and also help to fight like reactions and stuff. The next one is the collagen extract. I'm going to be using this to add some more whitening effect to the screen and also helping me with irritations and all of that. Now for this you can also use the Magic Derma serum. So this is the lotion out of the container. This lotion says it's a milk lotion and it's whitens in 7 days, no hydroquinone. It has sunscreen and it talks about flower complex, deep nourishing and essence and all of that. It has a lot of plant and fruity extracts in it. So, and this lotion is 300 ml. I got this lotion for 2,500 or 3,000 naira. I think it's kind of difficult to take out of the bottle, so you have to be very patient with it because it's very thick in my opinion, and the packaging of this bottle doesn't really do any good because I feel like for something that is this thick it should have definitely come like in a cup or something, just like the Dr. James milk. Over here, there's no wastage, so we're going to make sure we're getting all those things that have spilled out into that container because not getting the right amount can also affect your formulation. So in here, I have 200 ml of cream in my mixing bowl. Guys, remember to mix in a plastic container using plastic or glass containers and plastic spoons. Now when that is properly mixed in, you're going to take your serum and you're going to put that into your mixture. You don't want to put in everything at the same time just to mix them up. You're going to separate them and do them in bits, okay? Seeing that that is mixed in already, I'm going to go ahead to put in my second tube. I'm going to be adding 60 ml of my collagen extract into my cream mixture. Mix. You might be wondering why I'm showing you how I'm mixing and mixing and mixing, because sometimes ingredients might hide somewhere in the bowl or in the spoon, and this can affect the efficacy of your product. So make sure you're putting in all those extra things and you're mixing it properly. Any 1 gram can make a difference to your mixture. So this is the Luminous Lightening Lotion. When using this cream, you should make sure you focus on your knuckles when using creams and lotions like this. This contains steroids, so you definitely want to be careful when using this cream. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times in a week and use a moisturizing oil during the daytime, or you can also use this alongside with your cream so that you can have that glowy and beautiful luminous skin while using this product. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.